Hello world, Rich Fortney here. Quest to get on the Alone Show. Hey, if you like this video, subscribe and like. Hey, what I want to talk about today is natural cordage. I'm going to teach you all a technique that you can use to make some natural cordage. There's a lot of things that you can use out there. I personally like to use poplar bark because it's pretty easy to obtain because we have so much poplar in our areas. But you can also use yucca plants, the inner strands of it. You can use ash trees, the bark from it, like so. But I prefer poplar. So let me go ahead and show you a few things, and then I'll get into the technique that you need to do. I learned this technique from two different people. One, Dan Wowak, and two, Mikey Helton Jr. They both know it, and I watch their videos, so go to their YouTube channels and watch them. They're pretty interesting. Dan actually goes into a reverse style, but it's a reverse twist of the cordage. And I'm going to go into showing you the different levels that you need to do. So let me go ahead and pull the camera up a little bit closer, and then I'll go over them with you. Okay, this bark right here is just poplar bark, as you can see. And what you want to do is you want to break it down into what you see here, strands. And I'll go over showing you how to do that. Give me 1 second. Okay. Basically what you're wanting to do is you're wanting to break this bark down like so. Continue to break it down until you get a bunch of little strands. These strands, you're going to combine them later on. You see all these strands here? You just break it down the best you can. When you first get it, you want to You basically want to crush it up to get the harder bark off of it. See how it's got that big chunk of bark? You want to take that off and discard it because it's actually no good. It'll just make your cordage that much more brittle. So after you do that, you have a bunch of strands like so. You want to break them apart in the thinner strips. The thinner the better, because you can combine them, and I'll get into that here in just a second. Okay, as you can see here, I have two pieces that I've already started, which I was doing. Took me a couple, I'd say 2 hours to get these done, something like that. But normally when you're sitting around a fire at night, you can do it. But let me show you how you begin. First thing you want to do is pick you out a good piece for your base. I say base, but your starting point. What you want to do with that is you want to twist it. Keep twisting it. I'm twisting to the right with my right hand, and I'm coming back towards me, or I should say away from me, with my right hand. And you're going to keep doing that until this one strand makes a loop. And as you can see, I'm almost there. As you can see, it's starting to get to where it's wanting to twist on itself. Notice that? Where it just twisted on itself right there. And then you want to grab that. Okay. Notice how there's two strands and a loop. That loop you can barely see, but it's right there. Now, what you want to do is get your second strand. Let me go ahead and do that. And I'm going to take this harder bark off. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to this since I let it untwist. There. Twist it on itself. And you want to grab right there where it comes across. Just like that. Okay. Your next step is you're wanting to double up the actual bark or the strands. You just make a V and you combine them right here in the center, like so. You pinch it. Now here's where the technique comes into play. You twist away from you, then with these fingers right here, you're going to grab that bottom piece that you didn't twist and twist back towards you. So you're twisting away from you. Now you're pulling towards you. Twist away, towards you. Twist away, towards you. Twist away, towards you. Twist away, towards you. And as you can see, it's only been a few seconds here. And I'm starting to get it really good. So remember, twist away, grab the other one, pull up towards you. Twist away, pull up towards you. Twist away, pull towards you. And it's just called a reverse twist. Now, once you start getting down to where you're coming closer to the ends, you want to grab you another piece of your long strands and just combine it. I'm going to combine another one in here because this one's a little bit shorter, so I want to try to make it a little bit longer. Combine a few in there. Okay. And you just keep going and going and going. Now I'm going to show you another technique. Once you've combined and you've made you a couple of longer pieces, you can combine them to make them stronger. And you just use the exact same technique. What you want to do is twist it on itself, tighten up your loop a little bit, grab your other cordage, make your V, and do the exact same technique. Twist away from you, twist towards you. Twist away, towards you. Twist away, towards you. Twist away, towards you. Notice how I'm making this a little bit thicker. Twist away, towards you. Twist away, towards you. Twist away, towards you. So that is just one technique in making natural cordage. See how much thicker that is compared to the other? And it just makes it quite a bit stronger. Alright world, well, I hope I've taught you something, and if you like this video, subscribe and like. As I said earlier, I appreciate it. And with that being said, Arrivederci.